Hi, I'm Chantelle Nicholson, chef owner of Apricity restaurant in London and holder of a green Michelin star. As you may know, 1/3 of the world's food is wasted. So today I'm going to be showing you a few tips and tricks about how we can minimise this. The top 5 foods that are wasted in the UK include potatoes, bagged salad leaves, milk, apples and bread. So first of all, we're going to be talking about potatoes. These potatoes have been baked and we're going to turn them into a soup to serve with a pesto that we're making from old bagged salad leaves. So first off, we're going to be chopping some onions to add a bit of flavour. I've also made a stock out of old vegetable peelings, so anything that you have at home, including onion skins. Boil them up with a little bit of water and then you've got your vegetable stock. So a touch of oil into the pan. We'll let that heat up. Pick thyme in with the onions to add a bit more flavour. So the oil's nice and hot, we're going to pop the onions and thyme in with a little bit of salt. You want your oil to be hot before you put the onions in so that they can caramelise nicely and you get the maximum flavour out of them. You can always season your food at the beginning of the cooking, that way the salt's going to permeate all through the ingredients and have maximum flavour. So while the onions are cooking, we're going to let that with the stock simmer away. We'll add the potatoes soon, and in the meantime we're going to make the pesto. So salad leaves in first. Again, whatever mix of these you've got in your fridge is fine. If they're on their last legs, then it's a really great way to use them up. Also got a little bit of parsley, just to add a bit more flavour as well. Some toasted almonds, 1 clove of garlic, some grated Parmesan, olive oil, and a little salt. So we're going to blend this together. Still want a bit of texture in there, so nothing too smooth. If you have any other herbs lying around in your fridge that need using up, such as basil, coriander, tarragon, you can just add those in as well. Just going to roughly chop the potatoes. Again, if you've got old roast potatoes or even sweet potato, any roast vegetables can be added into this as well. Got a nice golden colour on the onions, smelling delicious. Simmer this for approximately 6 to 10 minutes, just until the potatoes start to break down. We'll add in the stock that's already been pre-warmed. Using milk's really helpful on this too, if you've got some that's about to kind of pass its use by date. It adds a bit of richness and obviously is another one of the 5 top wasted foods. So the potatoes have been simmering away for about 10 minutes, so we're going to blend it up and then serve. So finish it off with a little bit of the pesto on top. And there we have our baked potato soup with our salad leaf pesto.